What's up, witches? I'm Allie, the Bronx Witch, and I wanted to make a quick little video, another witching in the city, because today I am on my way to the Alm Shanti bookstore on 14th Street here in New York City, and I am so excited because I am on my way to take and complete my level 1 Usui Reiki certification class, and I'm so excited. When I'm done, I'm going to be able to begin offering that service as a part of the spiritual services I already offer. And yeah, I'm just so excited for this. I love what I do, and I love helping people to clear their energies, clear their chakral energies, because I really feel like it's an important part to a healthy life and a healthy lifestyle. And so having this formal training and this background is just going to make it even more effective what I do, and make it possible for me to help even more people. So I'm super excited. The train is coming now, and I'm going to try to keep you guys as updated as I can. I don't think I'll be able to film inside the class, obviously, but we will have like a lunch break and stuff like that. So I will try to show you guys as much as I can. So here we go.
This is a Manhattan-bound 4 train. The next stop is 140.
Bright and early, can you believe it? Okay, so we are on a lunch break after a few very long hours. First of learning about the history of Reiki and its teachers, and learning about the lineage of the Shippuden who is training me, and having a very intense and super expansive attunement, setting our energies to vibrate on the same frequency as divine source energy, so that we can pass that energy on to the people that we do healing for and that we do Reiki sessions for. And it's just been an incredible experience. And if any of you out there are interested in energy work, if you feel yourself called to healing other people, I definitely encourage you to look into Reiki or really any other type of energy work. They go by different names, but the idea is really all the same. So while I am waiting for the rest of my classmates to get back and lunch to be over, I figured I would pop in next door to the bookshop and show you guys a little bit of that, because I know I showed you some of my favorite shops in the city in my last Witching in the City video, and this is definitely one of my favorites that I didn't go to in that video. So Okay, witches, so I'm done. Super long day, but I have completed my course and my certification, and I am a little drained because we did 4 attunements and a full practice session today, so I kind of feel the way I feel after I get a couple of readings in a row done. So of course I had to pop into the bookstore and stock up on some incense because a bitch can't resist. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of Om Shanti as well because I love it here, and I hope you enjoyed checking them out. So. Please ignore my scruffy presentation and camera setup, which is not a setup. But I just wanted to take a moment this morning. It's the day after the completion of my level 1 Usui Reiki training certification, and I am reading some articles written by my Shinpiden, Thomas Capshu, and I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about my experience. And you know, I'm definitely not one to like try to push off my interest or my values onto other people. I feel like everyone's personal spiritual path is just that. It's personal. It should be. But I think that it's pretty fair to say that everyone would benefit from some type of energy work. It's something that we often ignore because we usually don't pay attention to the ways in which we're suffering until it affects our physical bodies, and we start to break down physically, and then we start to realize that something is wrong. And we often take physical approaches to those things, but we can benefit immensely from giving some attention to our energetic fields. And I just feel incredibly grateful and really full of love right now for the people who do this work, for the community that I found, for people like my Shinpiden who spend their lives teaching it to other people so that they can live better lives. It's just a very transformative and beautiful thing to add to my life. And kind of overwhelmed, if I can be honest. Like overwhelmed in a good way. Like I just already understand how transformative this is and can be for people. And it is overwhelming just to think about it, because we've all been through trauma in our lives. And even if we have gotten the opportunity to have professional therapy, I feel like even in those circumstances, a lot of times we still walk away feeling like we really haven't been given the opportunity to really go there, you know, to really feel welcomed and loved and just not judged at all. So it's overwhelming because I know that it's just something really important. And so it feels kind of intense to imagine that that I will be responsible for being that place and that space and creating that space for others, but not overwhelmed in a way where it feels like I don't want to do it. It's the opposite. I'm like, really, I just can't wait. You know, I already do spiritual cleansings and chakra balancing for people, and that has been really rewarding. And to now have a deeper understanding of how the energy fields work and how I can use my own energy to really fill people up in a way where they're feeling empty and depleted is just intense and really awesome. And I just can't wait to get started on providing that for people. So I promise I will start doing that sometime soon, maybe in the next month or so. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I definitely encourage you to do so at BronxWitch, because I will be posting on there the developments as I get closer to being able to offer Reiki sessions for anyone who's interested. And yeah, so stay tuned for more information on that. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little video on me spending another day witching in the city. And I thank you for checking it out. So if you liked it, if you found it helpful at all, please give me a thumbs up so I know. And if you have any comments or any questions about Reiki, about the location where I was today, or about my Shinpiden and the classes that he teaches, just drop them down below. I'm happy to answer them. Please make sure to subscribe. I have to tell you to do that. And click on the bell button so you're notified about any future videos. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Blessed be.